Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 74 of Road to Freedom, and today I didn't trade. Even though I was not at work, I still didn't trade, which is actually really good for me because, I mean, a lot of the times when I'm not at work, even if the market is all over the place, I'll still trade, and that's how I've been losing a lot of my trades recently. So it's good that today I looked at the market and I just thought, I'm not going to trade that today. So yeah, let's jump straight to the charts. I'll show you what I did. So yeah, this is what happened today. I mean, if you look at this price action, we're on a 5 minute right here. Up until about 20 past 11, we had like no substantial movement at all. Ignore this. I was doing the paper trading thing on TradingView because I didn't actually know what it was. Anyway, as I was saying, up until about 11:20, we didn't have like any movement, and my rule of thumb usually is, which is what I'm meant to stick to, if I can't find a trade by 10:30, which is right here, just a step away, and if you actually do look up until 10:30, if we go just to 1 minute here, in fact, probably see it a bit better. 10:30, there was just nowhere to enter. Like, we had this big movement down. Luckily I didn't place a trade there. I think the reason I didn't place a trade there is because it was still early into market open, and I thought we were just getting a big manipulation, which we did. Where even is that? I think. So yeah, that was about 9:40. We had that, which is 10 minutes after market open. And we did actually have no confluences with that, and also I think Nasdaq did something completely different as well. Yeah, Nasdaq was just all over the place, and I wasn't going to place a trade off that. Also had to move up as well. And I was looking for ways in, like, I think this gap I highlighted here, and see if I can go longs, as if we respect to that, but we just, came up. I was like, okay, let's place a trade, let's see if we can break structure. We didn't break structure, bang, came back down, disrespected that. Same happened again, like, if you look at this one, going up, got fair value gap there, we come down and just smash through it again. Then it's just nowhere to go. And also all of the candles had really long wicks. It was just messy, really messy. I don't actually know why it was like that, why the market was like that today. I think it's just a Monday. Sort of a thing I've learned is don't trade on a Monday. Because I went back and I looked at all the trades I've taken on a Monday. I think I've taken like, it's not going to sound like a lot, but I've taken about 3 trades on a Monday, and only 1 out of 3 of those times have I ever won. When I trade. So I think Mondays is a day just to stay out of the market, because it's no news Monday, nothing happens, everyone's sort of like just had the weekend go, and you always get the weekend gap when the market opens again. So it's just, market's volatile on a Monday. Tomorrow I will be trading again. I will hopefully be trading tomorrow. There's no news again. I'm not working, so hopefully be able to get a trade in tomorrow and just get a little bit closer to passing the funded. That will be brilliant. But I've got to take my car into the garage tomorrow at like 8 o'clock in the morning. Get the brakes changed, the full discs and pads, which is going to probably cost me a fortune. Hopefully it doesn't. I've got the P's to pay for it, so yeah. And I actually would say I don't know how to word this. I'll probably say I've got the most amount of wealth that I've ever had right now. I'd say I've got the most amount of the highest net worth I've ever had. And I'm still in the same job, but I've done, over the last like 4 months, I've done a really good job at just putting my money into stuff that is an investment. Like, I've got my investment portfolio now of just long-term investments I'm investing in the S&P. Well, I've got like an investment price. I think I spoke about this in another video, but 60% S&P, 30% in FTSE, All World, or something like that, and then 10% in gold. Just diverse my investments. My investment, I'm just chucking £400 a month into that, and then I've got my crypto. Haven't been putting any money into that at the moment because it's just been going down. and I'm expecting it to still go down even lower. And I think I did a video not long ago, well, it's probably quite a while ago now, of my prediction for Bitcoin, for like all crypto. Go check that out. What I think the market's going to do. But long story short, I think Bitcoin's going to go down to $38,000. I think I calculated, and I'm going to start buying Bitcoin at below 60,000. As soon as we start dropping below 60,000, I'm going to start circling all my money into Bitcoin as well. So yeah, I've got also loads of my savings. I've got loads in my actual bank account. My credit card is fine. My credit card's never been a problem. I always pay it off every month. So I just use it to build my credit score. So I just chuck probably about 300 quid in there a month, just pay it off every month. So yeah, financially I'm actually okay at the moment. I'm actually doing alright. But yeah, it's been another yap sesh. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.